I want to make atadidin. Like, do you know atadidin that we clear my throat and like clear all my nostrils? That's the kind of atadidin I want to make. Hello. So we are gonna do a post-vacation reset. We are going to do some cleaning. The truth is, I'm not going to do everything in one day because I'm still recovering. I've been under the weather severely and I've had to be on medications. So I'm just going to break it down depending on how, you know, like how much strength I have to do things. We are completely out of some of the food items at home and we still have some. So we're just going to go do grocery shopping today. And then in the course of the week, I'll be able to do like some cleaning and whatnot. Yeah, so let's go shopping.
How many years, how many times, how many fears, how many rhymes, how many things that we had to go through. Now we're standing here just aligned. Everything works out, yeah, in the end. Everything falls into place in time. Live for the mix and blend, no 8s or 9s, and everything's 10. Light work never been hard. Easy, yeah, you know we got scars. Following signs of following stars. Following ceiling, following hearts. You can do it when you want to, yeah, no rush. Life is amazing, life is enough. You know where you stand when you know your stuff. You know how it goes when you know your. We can do it how you want to, do it like the rest. Do it different, put it to the test. Just live this stuff, I don't flex. Don't need to say all the best. I was born to do this, maybe, yes. Find your thing and do your best. Say more to me, don't say less. Let it out, yeah, be my guest. Cause I know how it gets. Let's meet up, make a plan. I'm glad that you understand. And we're sharing things in the way we can. I say to myself all the time, life is mad, do it properly, Jan. Be there for everyone, all you can. It's real, you know that you got me, man.
So we're back from shopping and I'm just going to put away all of the things that we've got. Honestly, I would love to, go through everything that we got, but I feel like I already caught some of the clips during the shopping process and I do not really have strength like that to start going through everything again and showing you the process of arranging and whatnot. Yeah, another time. But yeah, I'm gonna put the things away and then I will start making dinner. I want to make atadidin. Like, do you know atadidin that we clear my throat and like clear all my nostrils? That's the kind of atadidin I want to make with fish and some white rice. Yeah, that's what we're making for dinner. Okay, bye. My voice is done. Hi guys. So the other day we did groceries and I wasn't feeling very good. But today I feel so much better. Yeah, I'm still coughing, but it's not very significant. So that's a good sign. And like I feel well within myself. So progress. Anyways, Today we are going to be doing cleaning, just arranging the house, and I'm going to be doing some cooking as well. I just got back from taking off my nails that I did for my vacation because I'm back to work on Monday, and I just did like a refill of, I just did like a refill of my lashes. Yeah. So let's get into cleaning. But before we start cleaning, let me show you guys something that I got that pretty much, I mean, the idea is to make cleaning easier. So I got this electric brush for cleaning. I've been saying it quite a few places, like in people's videos, but I washed the bathroom one day and I was so exhausted. So I figured I might as well get it. In the meantime, I'm just going to get to cleaning and arranging the whole house. Yeah, let's begin because I'm also going to be cooking. So it's a lot to do in a very short period of time. It's about 3 o'clock now. And I don't know, but I'll manage and see how I can, hurry up and finish everything today because it has to be today. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm going to church, and Monday we're going to work. So So my husband has started um, doing the sitting area, the sitting room. He's swept the floor and is currently mopping. So I'm going to fold the laundry. That seems like something that does not require too much energy. Whew. I'm tired. It's not like I'm tired apart from like it's not as if I'm tired because I'm working. I just feel exhausted like from within, if that makes sense. Like little activities are just bringing like some really big exhaustion that I can't describe. Anyways, I'm going to fold the laundry and arrange them in the cupboard, and then the only thing that would remain would be the kitchen, which I think it will do, but because I want to cook, I think it might just leave it for me. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Let's get to folding the laundry.